Safe injection. Safe injection procedures protect both the beneficiaries and healthcare workers. Follow these steps to ensure safety each and every time. Remember, use one auto-disabled syringe only for one injection. If the package is punctured, torn or damaged by exposure to moisture, or if the needle has touched a non-sterile surface, then discard the syringe. Do not use alcohol to clean the skin before vaccinating. Safe waste management is also necessary to protect the community. Cut the hub of the syringe with the hub cutter immediately after use. After the session, return the hub cutter and waste bags to the health facility for safe disposal. Do not throw or burn the used syringes, needles and other injection waste in the open. Observe the following precautionary guidelines that protect health workers. Never touch the needle or rubber cap of the vial with the finger. Never recap the needle. Do not bend or manipulate the needle. Correct steps to use auto-disable AD syringes. Select the correct syringe for administering the COVID vaccine. Don't use syringes with damaged, opened or expired packaging. Open the package from the plunger side and remove the syringe by holding the barrel. Discard the packaging into a bag or container as general waste. Remove the needle cover or cap and discard it into the bag or container as general waste. Do not move the plunger until you are ready to fill the syringe with the vaccine. Do not inject air into the vial as this will lock the syringe. Take the appropriate vaccine vial and invert it. Insert the needle into the vial through the rubber cap. Insert the needle such that the tip is within the level of the vaccine. If inserted beyond this level, you may draw air bubble into the syringe, which is very difficult to expel. Do not touch the needle or the rubber cap, that is the septum of the vial. Pull the plunger back slowly to fill the syringe. The plunger will automatically stop when the necessary dose of the vaccine has been drawn. Do not draw air into the syringe. In case air accidentally enters the syringe, remove the needle from the vial. Holding the syringe upright, tap the barrel to bring the bubbles towards the tip of the syringe. Then, carefully push the plunger to the dose mark, which will expel the air bubble. Clean the injection site, if dirty, with a clean water swab. For administering the vaccine, ensure the following steps. Push the plunger completely to deliver the dose. Do not rub the injection site after administering the vaccine. Do not recap the needle. Cut the hub of the syringe immediately after use with a hub cutter to collect the sharps in its puncture-proof container. Then collect the plastic portion of the cut syringes in a red plastic bag. Ensure a risk-free immunization session. Practice the safe injection guidelines.